Afternoon, pilgrims. About 4:30, I think. Yeah, 4:30. Got these FIREBIRD 65 biodegradable exploding targets. Oh yeah. So I've got one set up out there, not very far. Set up in one of them holes of that cinder block there. Got the old 22 lever action out today. We'll see if we can hit it. Well, I know we can hit it, but we're gonna see what it sounds like. Since it comes in a pack of 10, might get 10 little different calibers through them, if you will. And 22 being the smallest, we can go all the way up to a 0.6, 10 mil, 45. But for now, 22. Here we go. Not bad. I expected more, not gonna lie. I did expect more. I want to set up another one. So now that we got that second one in there, hopefully this one's a little bit louder of a boom. That one that was in there was chipped, so I did drop it. But this one should be pretty good. I can give myself a couple practice shots. Just because it is 22 and it's cheap and fun to shoot. Cool. I don't know how good you can see. There's a little WD-40 can over yonder. Make sure we're on. Works for me. Onto the FIREBIRD. You knocked it out. I actually hit this one 3 times, and it didn't go off. I just don't know how I feel about that. Still didn't go off. One more. So much for 10-second clip video. But we'll see. Maybe that one was just a dud. That's better. That's way better than what I was hoping for. I guess that one was just a dud. What can you do? Peace out, pilgrims.